Alright, you guys, I'm back. Oh snap. Oh snap. So I'm back with another video. So I kind of, like, to be honest with y'all, like, I got kind of caught up with a lot of stuff. Yeah, let's just say I got caught up. So first I got caught up, and two, I hurt my ankle. And I know you guys were really wanting to give away, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do like a random generator on the comments for the first giveaway. So we'll do a random generator on the comments on the first giveaway, and then I really want to do a part 2. So if this video gets like, I'll say like 200 likes. If this video gets 200 likes, and you know what I'm saying, if this video gets 200 likes, I'll do a part 2, because it took me a long time to film, because I've been all over the place. I'm still gonna give away something, but I just feel kind of bad it took me so long to do it, and everything like that. So if this video gets like 200 likes, then we'll do a part 2. I'll do another giveaway. Like I wanted 2 winners, but I'll do the first winner on this one, and then I'll do another set, like a second winner. So it'll be 2 first place winners, but it'll be 2 winners, you know. So I want to do it that way. I just been going through it, man. Like, you guys don't understand. I literally, it was just too much going on, man. Like, so that's just life, I guess. Copy link. All right, so, oh wait. Okay, wait. Make sure I'm recording. So I'm gonna record. I want to do this live to show you guys, like, hey, like, this is like legit and everything like that. So I'm gonna do this live and everything. So I'm recording now. I gotta copy the link to the video on it. So get YouTube comments. The amount of unique commenters is 59. So if you commented, it's gonna be out of 59 people. So somebody, you guys live really far. I know a lot of you guys live really far from me, but that doesn't matter. I said it's international, so we're gonna get it. So it's gonna do it. We're gonna pick a winner. Like, this is kind of quick. So let's see who won. Okay, this is saying, okay. Your vids are amazing. If I win, which I probably won't, I would like a Torino Pro. You won. Bro, that's crazy. You said you wasn't gonna win, bro. That's crazy. Bro, you literally won. That's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. This, man, you won. That's crazy. That's crazy. So, okay. So I think it's Zazie_camo. Basically what you won, I didn't even go into details of all this. So basically what you won is you're gonna be able to pick any brush you want on Brush Kings on the website. I wanna do, like, yeah, you could choose any brush, any type brush that you want. So we will choose a brush, and then you pick it out, you tell me which one you want, I'll order it, and I'm gonna send it to you. So you can go to Brush Kings website, you know what I'm saying, anyone that's in stock, I'm gonna ship it out to you. So, but this is crazy, man. You actually won. Like, this is great. Like, you won. It says big winner. So this video gets 200 likes though. This video like hits 200 likes, I'll do a part 2. But I just wanted to kind of give a good way. I was gonna do like on Brush Kings, like, that's the thing. On the next giveaway, there's gonna be a Brush Kings too. But you're gonna be able to pick any brushes you want, and then I'm gonna throw some other stuff in there, you know, for you, because, you know, that's just how I am. I'm not gonna really, you know, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna get, but, you know, I'm gonna throw it in there. So thank you for entering the giveaway on that one. If this video gets 200 likes, I'm gonna do a part 2. You feel me? I'm gonna do a part 2. So it's gonna be another winner. So you guys really want it, give me to like 200 likes. I know you guys can do that. You guys have done it before. So 200 likes if you want a part 2 in the giveaway, because it just took a long time and I really wanted to make sure that it was a good type giveaway. But it's crazy that you won. It's so crazy that you won and you got what I was gonna get. Like, I was gonna do on Brush King. So you're going to get a straight up brush. You can choose whatever brush you want, like, and everything like that. And I'll ship it out to you, figure out where you won. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna let you know that you won. Congratulations, man. That's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Hopefully you don't live, I don't know how much the shipping is gonna be, but I'm gonna ship it out. So we're gonna figure out which one you want, and it's gonna get shipped out to you. So, man, you literally won. So, yeah, that's crazy. You won.